guys, welcome to Budva. Budva is in Montenegro, which is a country in the Balkans. If you don't know where that's at, it's next to Albania, Croatia.
And if you don't know where that's at, it's next to Italy and Greece.
Yeah, across the water from Italy and north of Greece.
This is our neighborhood that we're staying in right now. Just walking through it, just to give you guys an idea of how normal living is like here. As you guys can see, the food is super cheap, which is really great for us. Kind of feels like we're making out like bandits here. They have street food basically everywhere. There's little stands just like that one on like every block at least. And you can get a good meal with a side and a drink for 5 to 7 euros, which is just awesome. I feel like the clothes are kind of expensive. Yeah.
Welcome to Budva, you guys. We're on the coast.
Look at all the homeless cats. Look at them all.
A lot of cats around here. Say hi.
That'd be a taxi.
Don't scratch the shit out of me.
Yeah.
Oh, he's nice. Welcome to the water, you guys. We're gonna head over to Old Town in a minute, which is over there. We gotta walk all the way around. But yeah, most people don't know where this is at least not anyone in America that I know of. It's a pretty popular tourist destination with Europeans, obviously.
Russians?
Or like, yeah, a lot of Russians here. But in the US, I've literally never heard about this place. Anyways, here we go. I gotta pet my cat one more time.
I think he used to have. Say that again. Loungers. What a beautiful area to land.
Coco.
And then right here they have gelato up there. It's not open right now, but it's under that little curtain thing.
$1 a scoop.
Yeah. Can't beat it.
It's Saturday. It's busy as fuck. So we're taking kind of like the back roads. There's less people over here, obviously, than there is over there. What is this? Huh.
You just go inland from the beach if you're walking towards Old Town. There's this road right here that goes all the way through it. And there are restaurants and shops, gelato, and little, you know, tourist spots as well. But there's a lot less people, at least right now. It's May 2022. So I don't know. I don't know about the rest of the summer because we were told there's like 20 times as many people as there is now during the summer. So I mean, this is a Saturday night and obviously it's not very packed.
Yeah, this place right over here is like themed after like Harley Davidson kind of.
American.
Yeah, they've always got like an old American car like in the front. Like this old Cadillac. And this thing, I don't know when the hell this was used. Maybe World War II? I don't know. What do you think? World War I? World War II?
I don't know, but I really like those tables. They're made out of old motorcycles. But yeah, I would say that motorcycle with a sidecar. It's very like World War II era. If you're walking over here, look out for these. They're sketchy. They all feel like they're gonna fall.
Alright guys, we made it to the Old Town. We're gonna walk around and show you a bunch of shops and like little restaurants they got inside there.
Probably gonna stop for a bite, maybe a drink, but there are several entrances on both sides. Basically, wherever you can reach a fort, you can enter it from.
So yeah, let's go.
My personal favorite thing about Europe is that there are tons of old towns that are super well preserved, and we're in one right now. Really feels like Europe when you get into these old towns. There's just so much detail in the stonework and in all of the individual shops and homes. Typical tourist shops. This is PJ's favorite pizza place, which is also the most expensive, coming in at $2.50 for pepperoni pizza, also known as Kulin. We're going to stop there later probably. Of course, the alcohol shop is packed. If you come here, there's a nice long walk along the cliff. Straight ahead over there. You can go all the way around there. And it's really beautiful. There's several beaches. They have refreshments over there. And you can actually get to Fort Mogren, which we also made a video on, which should be out by now. But if it's not, then it's coming soon. This is the beautiful Old Town from just outside and on the Mediterranean. Absolutely gorgeous.
Say a prayer. Look at the old cannons right there. Right there.
I never noticed that. The Citadel. We just had to stop and show you guys that because it's adorable. I wonder if she, I'm assuming it's a she, if they keep it up with like whatever flowers are in season or not. It's really pretty though. You can tell they really care about their home. Ooh, look at this. Well, this area is cool. This is where they have that DJ during the carnival thing. It's just so, you know, like there's just something so unique about everything. Like you look up at the windows and the walls and all the different plants growing everywhere. You can only imagine what it was like hundreds of years ago and throughout history. And now we just come to look at it.
Now it's
really
full of souvenir shops and tourist attractions.
Which is kind of sad, kind of unfortunate, but it's still nice to see that they preserved the town. I mean, this area is just insane. Like, look at the outdoor dining. It's so pretty. Oh, there's the
Tattoo shop.
Tattoo piercing shop. So I was talking to some people online about Budva and like what to see and what to do and everything, where to stay and all that. And they actually suggested to stay outside of the Old Town and to stay like off of the beach because you can really hear all of the like club music like amplified off of the water, which is true. We were walking along the beach yesterday, 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And it was nuts. I mean, the sound just carried miles. But I mean, unless you're into that. I like to sleep though, so. Alright, let's go get some pizza. PJ, you're going first. Look at that pizza. PJ, put it up to your face so you can see how big the slice is.
I might need another.
Another?
Not big enough.
Come on, compare it. Ooh, yeah. It's a little cold, but it's still good because it's full of flavor. This is our favorite pizza slice in all of Old Town Budva. $2.50 a slice, which is a little expensive if you ask me, but worth every bite. We are thin and crispy type of pizza people, so say bye-bye, Old Town. Actually, I think we're gonna leave you guys right now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like all our videos and basically tell every single person that you've ever met in your life about our YouTube channel. That way one day when we're big and famous, you can tell everyone that you helped us get us here. Anyways,
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.